Hi, superstars. It's time for math. We are on lesson 4-2, compare numbers using numerals to 10. Emily is planting seedlings or little plants. She plants 5 red pepper seedlings and 7 yellow pepper seedlings. So let's use counters to show the groups of seedlings. All right, so let's use counters, and we are going to use the counters for the red pepper seedlings. So she had 5, and now we are going to use counters for the yellow peppers, and she had 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we're going to compare the two groups. Let's write down our numbers. We have 7 and we have 5 red. We are going to circle the number that tells which group has more. So let's compare the two groups first. We'll do 1 to 1. Let's compare the yellow and the red. Which group shows a greater number of counters? The yellow group has more. So we'll circle the number 7. 7 is greater than 5. And we can look at our counters and we can see that that is true. Let's go to our next page. So the question that we are talking about is, how can you tell that a number is greater than another number? Let's look at our first picture here. How many tomatoes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count the group of peppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are there more tomatoes or peppers? There are more peppers. And how do you know? Let's match so we can compare the two. 1 to 1. So we see that there are more peppers here. I have no more tomatoes to match. So which number is greater, 3 or 7? 7 is greater. And which number is less? 3. Let's look at our next picture right here. How many carrots are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carrots. Now let's count the group of corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. So which group is greater in number, the carrots or the ears of corn? The carrots. Which number is greater, 10 or 5? 10 is greater. And which group is less in number? Carrots or ears of corn? The ears of corn. Which number is less, 10 or 5? 5 is less. Very good. Let's go down here to our guided practice. We are going to count the watering cans in each group, write the number to tell how many, and then we're going to draw a line from each watering can in the top group to a watering can in the bottom group. And then we're going to circle the number that is greater than the other number. So let's first count. We have 1, 2, 3 red watering cans. And let's count the blue ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write 4. Now let's compare the two groups. Here's one red, one blue, one red, one blue, one red, one blue. I have no more red to compare. So which group is greater than the other? The blue group is greater than the red group. Which number is greater? 4. 4 is greater than 3. And therefore 3 is less than 4. Let's move on to our next page. Let's look at number 2. We're going to count the vegetables in each group. Then we're going to write the number to tell how many, and we're going to draw a line from each vegetable in the top group to a vegetable in the bottom group. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write 4 bell peppers. Now let's count the corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 ears of corn. Then what we're going to do is we are going to draw a line from the top vegetable to the bottom group, and we're going to mark an X on the number that is less than the other number. So let's compare the two and find out which group is less. It looks like the bell peppers is less, so we are going to put an X on 4, since 4 is less than 5. All right, let's go to number 3. Over here, we're going to count the vegetables again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's write the number 6. But this time, we're going to draw more pea pods in the lower group to make the groups equal. We're going to write the numbers to tell how many in each group, and we're going to draw a line from the top to the bottom. So we have how many pea pods? 1, 2, 3. So it looks like I need to draw more pea pods to make these two groups equal. So if I compare these, I know that I need one more here to compare, another one to compare, and one more to compare. It looks like now they're equal, so let's count the pea pods again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now the two groups are equal. They have the same amount in each of them. All right, so now we're going to go to our independent practice, and I want you to do that on your own. That is the next page. You're doing a great job, superstars. Keep up the good work. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.